Welcome to our comprehensive guide on saving money in Brussels. Today, we'll explore 4 effective strategies: utilizing bike sharing services, leveraging public transportation passes, avoiding tourist trap cafes, and finding budget-friendly grocery options. Brussels Velo bike sharing system offers an affordable way to get around the city. A daily pass costs only €1.60, while a weekly pass is €8.20. The first 30 minutes of each ride are free with your subscription. Download the Vilo app to easily locate available bikes and docking stations. Using bike sharing regularly can save you up to €50 per month compared to traditional public transportation. Brussels' public transportation system offers several money-saving options. Purchase a Mobib card for €5, then load it with a 10-journey ticket for €16, saving €8 compared to single tickets. Consider time-based passes: €8 for 24 hours, €14 for 48 hours, or €18 for 72 hours. For tourists, the Brussels card combines museum access with unlimited public transport. Remember that weekend passes are valid from Friday evening at 7 p.m. Avoid overpaying at restaurants in Brussels by steering clear of establishments directly on Grand Place, where prices can be 2 to 3 times higher than normal. The tourist-oriented Rue des Bouchers is another area to avoid. Instead, walk just 2 to 3 blocks from major attractions to find authentic, affordable options. Neighborhoods like Saint-Géry, Ixelles, and St. Catherine offer excellent local dining. Look for menu du jour lunch specials, which typically cost between €12 and €50. By eating where locals go, you can save 50 to 60% on your food budget. For budget-friendly grocery shopping in Brussels, prioritize discount supermarkets like Colruyt, Lidl, and Aldi, which offer significantly lower prices than convenience stores. Delhaize's Red Market format stores provide good value for slightly higher quality. Visit the Midi Market on Sundays or the Abattoir Market on weekends for fresh, affordable produce. Choosing store brands over name brands can save you 20 to 30%. For the best deals, visit markets about an hour before closing time, when vendors often discount their remaining items. By combining these 4 money-saving strategies in Brussels, you can significantly reduce your expenses. Use Vilo bike sharing for short trips around the city. Invest in multi-journey or time-based public transportation passes. Dine at local establishments away from tourist hotspots, and shop at discount supermarkets and weekend markets. Following these tips could potentially save you between $200 to $300 per month, allowing you to enjoy Brussels without breaking the bank. We hope you found this guide to saving money in Brussels helpful. Visit our store for more travel guides and resources. Thanks for your support.